Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ramsha Azhar. My roll number is BP 1550142. My group number is 41. My main topic is acne and my subtopic is moderate acne. To understand what is moderate acne is, first we know what is acne. So, acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil or dead skin cells. It causes whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples. Acne is most common among teenagers, though it affects people of all ages, and most commonly it occurs in women or girls or the people who are moving towards or at the stage of puberty. Self-care remedies don't cure acne. So you have to see your primary doctor or dermatologist because acne can move from mild to moderate and then towards severity. Effective acne treatments are available, but acne can be persistent. The pimples and bumps heal slowly, which by taking time, they are time consuming actually. So you have to see your dermatologist at the condition from moderate to mild or towards the severe. Symptoms: acne signs vary depending on the severity of your condition. So some people faces whiteheads, blackheads, small red tenders, bumps, or some people complain of red rashes, large solid painful lumps under the skin or over the skin or the pimples. So now the types of acne. As I told you, acne can be of blackheads. Acne can give you blackheads, whiteheads, some pustules, nodules, and pimple-like appearance. So this picture explains this. Now the causes of acne. Excessive oil or sebum production is a major cause of acne. Hair follicle clogged by oil or dead skin, bacteria, inflammation, hormonal changes, family history, stress, friction or pressure on your skin. Main component is hormonal changes. Hormonal changes give the more effect which causes acne. What kind of hormone? Androgen. It's the hormone that increases in boys and girls during puberty stage and cause the sebaceous glands to enlarge and make more sebum production. Hormone changes during midlife, particularly in women, leads to break out the pimples. Now there are tips or the treatment of acne. So you have to clean your skin every hourly. If you are facing acne issues, you should use acne or dermatological prescribed creams. Secondly, you have to use more water. You should have to take more water, and you should be stay away from dust particles or from dusty areas. Now, acne is basically divided into some grades. There are grades of acne. Acne is basically, as I told you, it is divided into grades. So there are 4 grades of acne: grade 1, 2, 3 and 4. In grade 1, the mildest form of the acne, or that the mild acne we would see here, like the blackheads appearance, whiteheads appearance, and it's occasionally turn into pimples. There is no inflammation in this type of acne or grade 1 acne, so it is usually curable. Now grade 2, it is considered as moderate acne. Numbers of blackheads and whiteheads increases within the time. Acne grade 3. Now this grade 3 is a moderate to severe acne. Basically, acne is divided into 3 grades: mild, moderate and severe. So this is a condition in which acne moves from moderate to severe. So there are more pustulates, inflammation and more kind of redness, burning sensation we'll see in this type of grade. Grade 4 is the most severe grade, and the skin will display many pustulates, nodules and blackheads and whiteheads and numerous spots. Pronounced inflammation is seen in this type of acne and breakout. So this type of acne or grade 4 acne is also known as cyst acne, and it must be treated by dermatologist. So this picture describes you the stages of the acne. Stage 1 mild, stage 2 moderate, stage 3 severe. So in stage 1 you will see minor pimples, blackheads, and in stage 2 you will see more pimples, more pustules, more nodules and inflammations. In stage 3 you see severe condition. Prominent type of pimples or significant type of symptoms are seen, or significant inflammation is seen in this type of stage. This is cystectomy, which is commonly grade 4 acne. This one is common acne. You would okay. Now my main topic was moderate acne. So I hope you have got an idea about acne. So now it is easy to you to understand what is moderate acne is. As the name indicates, moderate acne is moderate, not mild, but not severe either. It is more stubborn and obvious than mild acne, but not quite inflamed or as serious as severe acne. So basically, moderate is a condition which lies in between mild and severe. The patient first faces mild condition, then he or she moves towards the moderate, and then he or she would suffer severe. So the moderate is a condition which frequently move towards severe. So the treatment of moderate acne must be done so patient cannot move towards severe. Causes of moderate acne. As I told you, teenagers are more likely to have this type of acne with symptoms of blackheads, inflammatory breakouts. Adult women, on the other hand, have seen some blackheads or whiteheads on their skins. These tends to pop up. Mostly moderate acne occur on lower chin, cheeks, jawline, especially on right before periods or during menstrual cycle. We have seen many cases of moderate acne in this condition. How to treat moderate acne? First of all, you have to take an appointment with your dermatologist. Prescription acne medication treatment are quite effective in treat moderate acne. Dermatologist may prescribe topical medication depending on skin condition or your circumstances. He or she may prescribe some oral medication as well. It can take several weeks, but it will be improved within the time, so you have to take patience. Drug to treat moderate acne. There are some drugs which are here to treat moderate acne, like antiviral drugs, benzyl peroxide, salicylic acid, topical creams including Zovirax, medicated soaps, shampoo, cleanser. These are the things which are mostly seen to treat moderate acne, but there is no particular treatment for moderate acne. Now we are having one case study. A 21-year-old female visited a general dentist for evaluation of multiple blisters on her lips. Patient noticed blister one day earlier, but she reported blisters are increasing in number with additional lesions with pain. She also stated that her lymph node felt swelling. Now we will make soap, no? Subjective. Age is 21, gender female. Chief complaint is of blisters on lip with increasing number of lesions. Objective. Upon physical examination, she is noted to have blister, redness, lesions on lips and swelling on infected areas. Upon oral examination, multiple small vesicles upon upper and lower vermilion of lips are seen. Severity from mild to moderate acne, characterized by pain and inflammation. Assessment. Clinical diagnosis. Actually, this type of acne or this type of moderate acne is cold sores. Or biological trauma is recurrent herpes labialis or fever blisters. Plan. As I told you before, there is no particular treatment for RHL or cold sores. Palliative medications can be recommended to alleviate symptoms, but do not speed the healing time. So this is an important factor, that there is no particular medicine for this treatment, but by taking palliative medication it would slow the process, or it would do not speed up the healing time. Patient should instructed to be avoid mechanical rupture of the vesicles to avoid spread of virus or adjacent areas. So patient she should be instructed to do not touch the skin, so that the virus could not spread over all the skin parts. There are the stages of cold sores. Stage 1, ingling or itching or burning condition, then stage 2, blister formation, then stage 3, blister burst and scab formation, stage 4, and finally healing process occur. So there are recommendations. Cold sores can be treated by home remedies, by taking honey, by taking milk, or by taking some vegetables. There should be a medicated cream or medicated soap should be tried, and cold sores should be treated by air bird too. Thank you for your time. I hope you have understand or you have gotten sufficient idea about acne and moderate acne. Jazakallah.